Hey guys, it's Andres again.
And Chelsea.
So here it is, the final product of all the hard work.
Oh my goodness, we are done. Do you see that? And we're so excited to get it started on Airbnb. And we are finally showing you the final tour.
Yes, so this is gonna be a very unedited. We really want to kind of walk with the camera from here all the way to the shed, look at the outside, look at the inside. And I think you can really appreciate maybe everything from here, everything around it, the fans, any noises, any car that drives by. You know, we always edit that out, but I think we need to keep it very real so you can get a feeling of what it would be like to come here and visit it yourself or build something like this yourself. So.
Yep. So let's start at the beginning. We'll show you the sign we made.
Yep.
How the guests would come through.
Yeah, because we're now standing on the driveway, so I'm just gonna take the camera out of the tripod. So for now, we ended up going with solar lights, just because we didn't want to run electricity all the way here. It's very dark in here. It's a county road. It's very, very dark. Basically, for the last couple of miles, there's almost no lights on the road at all. So even just a couple solar lights, it stands out from the rest of the neighborhood.
So here's the sign we built.
We try to keep the gate closed. It's more for the guests than for us. We don't care if the gate's open, but we want them to feel that they can come in, control their own driveway, and then shut it off, leave their car here, and feel a little more safe maybe. On this side, it's our house. So we built this fence on this side, trying to create some privacy. On the other side, we built a similar fence, a little bit taller, against the neighbor. Just almost try to give them this whole lot to themselves. It almost feels like this is its own property right here. So that side is the utility side. That's where you have the mini split, the electric connection, the water connection. And that's not really the side you really see much after you go in, because funny enough, guests have been parking all over the place. We haven't really designated a parking area. So people have gone all over, which we don't really care. If they don't get stuck, it's okay. So right here at night, we'll have to give you a shot at night, because with the lights, it looks really, really cool. And you can see it right away. As soon as you pull in, you look down the hill and you see these two lights. They put out a lot of light. And basically, front door right here.
All right, welcome to, we called this particular shed Meadow View, but our whole property is called English Creek Hideaway. And we added some landscaping right here. This is all cool old barn wood, and we made some lights. We'll show you a night shot. It looks gorgeous at night. Then Andres, in his skilled work, he put all this barn wood that we had right here, and then we wanted a really fun pop of color. So we made this really pretty. I'll get out of the shot so you can see. Nice pretty door. Just open it up. Come on inside. And here is the giant patio that the guests get all to themselves. So you can see they have the picnic area. They have their outdoor tub, which has gotten a lot of use from our family so far, and we tested it. It's great. Then, nice seating area by this fire. And this is the money shot right here. Then, if the guests would like, we have a giant grill, 2 big grills. Then, something that we think the guests are gonna love is the sauna over here.
Yeah.
Who wants a boring shower when you can have an outdoor shower? And we provide vegan shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, all natural. Then, in case there is any weather that's not ideal, it is covered. So rain, snow, wind, you can take a very nice hot shower. And as a reminder, it is completely private. No one is out here, no one can see you anywhere. But I think the money shots are all inside. We're opening her up. Dun da da da. I'm gonna take my shoes off. I'm gonna open up both. Come on in. We're so excited to show you. Okay, so as you can see, we have a big, nice, comfy bed. Give the guests towels, snacks, s'mores, water. And show all the cool lighting that we picked out. Then come on over here. Here's the kitchenette. We wanted to make it nice and rustic looking, so we have like kind of the sink just like the bathtub outside, but we wanted some gold touches and to make it really pretty. If you remember from our other videos, this is concrete backing. We wanted a concrete feel, just lots of textures everywhere, and we used some old barn wood for the counters and the kitchenette storage area. Then we have lots of baskets all over. I tried to let the guests know exactly what's in each basket. And then we have vintage or vintage looking brand new appliances, and we have a Keurig machine for everyone. And for all you glampers too, because we have a gravel patio, we have plastic wine glasses. We say no glass because it could be super dangerous. If you broke anything in the gravel, it'd be really hard to find and to clean. So we have no glass as a house rule. So if you're gonna be doing a gravel patio, that's something as well. Here's a cute little designated workspace or coffee area or just eating. And then we provide antibacterial.
That's why this doesn't make a difference.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then, pan this way. Look at the skylights that Andres did. Aren't those incredible? Then, if you come over here, we provide extra towels. And then I have black towels in here for wiping down the furniture because it gets very humid and dewy in the mornings. And we didn't want the guests hot or cold, so we put in the mini split, and we have a smart TV. And we provided robes as well. I don't know if you saw that or not. All right, take a peek inside the cute little bathroom. So, Andres installed flooring on the side of the walls. It makes it really easy for me to clean everything. And we painted this a really pretty, like, muted, icy green color. And we didn't know where to put the toilet paper, so we put a little basket, hung it, and then Andres made this really cool pipe. And then obviously a full-length mirror. Every guest usually wants that to see what they're wearing. Okay, so guests get up into the left, climb up, and we have twin beds up here, the safety railing, just in case. We have these lights up here, super comfy memory foam mattress, and then Andres is a genius and he put these, what are these called? The shock things.
Struts.
Struts. So he puts struts. So if you look from the bottom, so that no hands get smashed, you don't bonk your head. I can take a peek up here. Very simple. And then we have fans up here as well, but it has a really pretty view.
Okay.
So from the kitchenette, you have your little dining space. Then we thought the best space-saving thing, well, actually it was Andre's idea, it wasn't mine. He built this awesome ladder into the wall. So guests, I'm thinking some guests probably stand on this chair too, but you just climb up in. I'm gonna get further away. Okay, then you just climb on in. I kind of climb sideways and pull myself up. And then this bed, I would prefer this bed if I were a guest because you can see out from your bed and it's really pretty.
So there it is. That's our final product.
Yeah. Tell us what you think. We are dying to know what everyone thinks. If you have any good ideas for us, that would be amazing. Because as you know, we are going to be building more.
Yeah, we are truly in love with this business idea now. We want to grow it to a pretty big business.
Yeah.
And we are taking all the feedback that we get from people along the way, and we're either incorporating it or changing things up. So it's kind of cool to have somebody else out there that's watching our progress that maybe doesn't get fully caught up in the details like we do, because we go to sleep thinking, how are we going to do the shower or whatever. Somebody else may look at it from the outside and think of something really good idea that we haven't thought of just because we get way too far into it.
Yeah.
And we lose sight of things.
Right.
So we appreciate all your feedback. Let us know what you honestly, truly think.
Yes. And let us know too. Some people were worried we went too dark inside. So would you have done this color scheme? What design things would you have done differently? Do you love? Because I want to know. So we can start designing our next one.
And other people thought we went too light on the outside. They thought everything was great on the outside. So that made us want to do some pops of color, add a few pavers, and do little things to break that up. So we really like that feedback. We truly use it to our benefit. And so we really appreciate you following along,
Yeah.
seeing all our progress, and hopefully someday we get to meet some of you and you can stay here.
Whew, it's been a lot of work. I'm gonna go get a nice coffee. See ya. We are Andres and Chelsea. We uprooted our lives from Arizona to Eastern Tennessee.
We sold our long-term rentals and are putting everything on the line to start our dream glamping business.
Join us each week as our family navigates this big new adventure, and we share everything we learn so you can also build a successful glamping business.